All right, y'all, here is the ingredients that we will be using for our shrimp scampi. We have our prawns, we have our butter, we have the parsley. This is going to be for the top, of course. We got garlic, sliced up some onions, parmesan. We have our cooking wine. We got the lemon and lime juice, some lemon pepper, onion powder, of course, more garlic powder. Y'all already know I love garlic. We have our Creole and our Old Bay. All right, y'all, that's everything that you're gonna need for this dish. So let's go ahead and jump into it. This is Alanta. Her name is not Alanta, it's Alana.
Hello.
And she is here with me today, y'all, to do this cooking tutorial. She's gonna be the chef. She will be guided by me, of course.
No, cooking level experience beginner. Very, very, very beginner.
Like from a scale of 1 to 10.
-8.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna might need to, we'll watch it.
Great.
We're gonna be great.
It's gonna be great.
I'm so scared.
I can already feel my cooking levels
rising.
We're like at the 0 now.
Okay. All right.
Come on in the negatives.
So let's go ahead and jump into this thing. First thing we're gonna do is get our butter, and we're just gonna throw it in the pan.
Without the paper.
Without the paper. I forgot. Level negative. So yes, without the paper, please, boo.
Without the paper would be great. Like I see there would have been paper on it.
That's not your fault. That's my fault because how I cut the butter. So now we just letting that butter melt down. You want to have your fire on a medium heat. And we just letting the butter just cook down now. So since our butter is kind of gotten down to where we want it, we're going to go ahead and grab the onions. And we're going to throw the sliced onions in. This is just a half of an onion, like a medium-sized onion. And you slice them the way that how thick you want them. So if you slice the onions too thick, they're going to need to cook longer. If you do them thin, they'll cook faster. So it's up to y'all how you want your onions cut. We're also going to grab the garlic, the minced garlic, and we're going to throw that in there. That's about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic that's going in. And we're going to just mix everything together and get it all incorporated.
It smells good already.
Right. Look at y'all, she a chefy chef.
Don't tell nobody.
Should we tell them that you're available? Is you available or not? You off the market, on the market? I mean, she might be even on the market even more after she get this recipe down.
Absolutely. Ask me when we're done.
Okay. I'll update y'all. So we just mixing everything together. So this is going to take a little bit more time to cook, of course, because we want our onions to get translucent. We want the butter all melted down. And the longer these 3 items cook together, the more flavor is going to be in there. All right, y'all, this is where we are so far. We can see that the onions have gotten a little bit, more translucent than what they started at. So now we're gonna go ahead and add our seasonings to this. Whichever seasoning you want to start with, my love. And you're gonna let your heart guide you in the seasons, okay? Ooh, look at that wrist though, that flick of the wrist. She knows what she's doing. Nope, okay. That's good. So that first seasoning that we did was the Creole seasoning. Now we're on to the lemon pepper. Salt-free, y'all, because our Creole has a lot of salt in it. So, we don't want too much salt. A little dashy dash. Okay. No, I mean, is your heart telling you to stop or am I telling you to stop?
Nobody.
Okay. Look at.
Because we love the lemon pepper.
Right. We love that. We want that to come all the way through. The next thing we have is some onion powder.
Make sure we open the correct side. We did.
Okay.
Because there's pictures at the top.
Right. And I always be opening the wrong side. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, that smells good.
We love it here.
And now we have our garlic powder.
That's the twist off it is.
Yes.
Do you like garlic? Because I love garlic. Okay. Say
I
less.
love garlic. Go, girl. Like I said, use your heart. Feel it in your heart. What is enough?
That was it right there.
You know. And then we have our Old Bay seasoning. Can't forget the Old Bay. Yeah. Go ahead, girl.
Just a little.
Yes. So now that we added all our seasonings, we're just gonna give that a good stir. Making sure all them, y'all could just see the difference in the color. The flavor is in there. It's about to be bomb.
Yes, it is. It smells great. I wish y'all could smell this in real time. 'Cause
And that's the next thing we need to invent is the smelling it through the phone. All right, y'all. So now that that is mixed well, now we're gonna go ahead and throw our big old shrimps in there. And with those, you can just go ahead and like just place them in the butter because you don't want the butter to splash you, you know.
And we wearing white. And I thought about that today. I said, you know, Self, you're gonna be cooking today. Are you sure you want to wear white? And then I said to myself, why not? Why not just give it a try?
She chose white.
We just, you know. So it's like a little paella type of thing we got going.
Right.
I'm excited. I'm really excited.
So excited. So we just placing all of our shrimps in there. All right, y'all, as you can see, the shrimpies is shrimping. Now we're gonna have Alana add some wine, and it's cooking wine, y'all. Don't be going to that liquor aisle trying to get some regular old degular wine. She's gonna let her heart guide her. Oh, wow. Oh, okay, I know where your heart is. Okay. There's never too much, y'all. It's never too much. It'll cook down. It'll cook down for real. She over here trying to get a little tipsy tips.
No! Why give you that idea? What?
Now we got our lemon juice. She gonna put some in there too.
You know.
Whatever you feel, Lil. Whatever you feel.
I'm a chef. Honestly.
Okay, I'm on a scale 1 to 10. Where we at now?
We a solid 3.87.
Look at it, we coming up.
Actually, I lied. Let me give myself a little credit. We a solid 5.2.
Ooh, from a 3 to what? Okay, 3
I'm
to
just
a
saying.
5.
I'm just
Wow, she's experienced, y'all. We got some lime juice that we're gonna put in there.
This one's full, so I want to be a little careful.
Yeah, this smells so good. And you can see our shrimps already turning pink. So now the last thing that I didn't tell y'all about was the Tabasco. So we're gonna add some Tabasco. So this is up to you on how hot you want your scampi to be. And if you don't want it hot at all, this, you could just totally cancel out this.
But we like it hot on this side.
We like it hot.
We like a kick.
Boom, baby. Boom. And now we're just gonna turn them over, you know, try to give them a little mix. Because as you can see, our pan is full. But that's all right. We're gonna make it work. Oh, and then the tongs too, if you want to use the tongs. There you go. She real cook, y'all. She was using the fingernails, because that's how we do in the kitchen.
Look at that.
Wow.
Look at the chicken of the sea. That's what they call, right? Something like that.
Isn't that tuna?
Oh. It can be whatever I want it to be. It is definitely tuna. It is definitely tuna.
I was gonna be like, yeah, that's it. Wait,
Yeah, no,
I was trying to think of the can. I'm like, that's tuna can, girl.
It is. Nope.
This is my chicken of the sea.
See, there we go. I knew it was something.
You know, it's all my chicken of the sea.
And this is really my favorite that you make.
Now you can make this.
You know, I cried when I had it in my meal prep. Y'all, I'm not kidding. Please know I'm not joking. When she made this for me and the first bite I had, I almost cried. I did cry. And I sent her a voice note. Okay?
She did, y'all. She ain't lying.
Look at that thick boy.
Look, y'all. Look at what Alana did. She did that. Action. All right, y'all. Our shrimps is done. Now we are plating. Look at how pretty they smell. So good.
They smell like they drenched in wine.
Yo, it's making my mouth water. That should tell us something about each other. Look at y'all. You can even see all them onions in there. Ooh, my mouth is watering.
Mine is too. I'm so excited. You know, I didn't starve myself. But I also made sure I wasn't completely full when I had my shake today. Just because I knew I was coming here.
Yes.
And I knew I was about to make some food. And I was about to devour it.
Me about to eat real good. So this is Alana plating, y'all. This is her plate. So once she's done with hers, I'm gonna go ahead and whip up some. And then, yeah, it's the same way that she cooked it. So when I'm done, y'all are gonna see my finished plate also.
Don't compare though, because comparison is a thief of joy, y'all. In case you didn't know, now you know.
Basically, Alana said, don't pick anybody else's but hers. Thank you.
This is perfect.
Look at how
for
beautiful.
Me, you know?
So good. You gotta take your time. This is the part where you really take your time, is with the plating, because why, y'all? You eat with your eyes before you even taste it. So now ooh, okay, I see what you're doing. Look at y'all.
I might have lied to y'all when I said negative whatever number.
Look at y'all. Here comes the onions.
And we love us some onions on this side.
Look at her looking like a pro. Y'all, I don't know.
This might be.
On a scale of 1 to 10, where we at now?
We like a 7.32.
Look, from 5 to 7.
And then when we eat, we're going to be a solid 10. Let me tell you.
Okay. Yeah. Look at her. She even, like, you know, spreading the onions around.
No. I might have watched a few Vic videos or so,
Yes.
I really do love onions, though, y'all.
I'm not mad at that.
Okay.
She said no onion left behind, honey.
No. We just gotta get this little corner right here. or little. It's not really a corner because this is like a bowl-like plate. It's okay.
The people understand.
Yes.
Yeah. Look at this shrimp scampi. Made by Alana. And here she is. Y'all, her name is Alana. Let me stop. And, oh, shoot.
No biggie, y'all.
She didn't come over here for a dance battle because she knows she won.
No biggie.
And if you ain't dancing like that, you ain't cooking, y'all. One last look. Oh, do you want to do you want to put some cheese in? Parsley. Here she go. Look at her. What's his name?
Salt Bae.
Yeah, there we go. Sometimes I be wondering, do he be washing his elbows? Cause you know that.
I hope so, because if it's rolling off his elbows,
I mean,
and he doesn't wash
all
his
the
elbows,
way down the
okay.
elbow.
I'm not eating his food.
I be trying to see if it's ashy or not, cause you know, if it's ashy, then maybe it was washed. If it's not ashy, then maybe it was washed and he added lotion. Now you got lotion in your salt.
And absolutely not.
Mm-mm. Boom, baby. She said, cheese me, please me. The last thing we gonna add is some parsley, cause you know you gotta give it that little beauty. Ooh, look at how you looking.
Who told you to look like that?
Ooh, look, you did that.
With your help, so thank you.
Oh, she did this, y'all. I'm so proud of her.
Thanks, friend.
Boom, baby. All right, y'all. This is Alana's finished product. Look at how beautiful this looks. I cannot wait to eat this.